global variables in Ruby. What are the global variables and how we can use them? What are the scope of global variables? Okay, before starting, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. I will teach you the Ruby from beginner to the advanced level. Okay, let's start. Let's make a simple variable in Ruby where 1 is equal to 100. So this is a simple variable, local variable in Ruby. If we put a dollar sign, then it will make now this variable is now a global variables. The global variables always start with a dollar sign. So this is now a global variable. So you can access this global variable in throughout your whole Ruby program. For example, let's make a class 1, and if I make a method def print, and I can just display this global variables. Now I did not define any variable within the scope of this class, in the body of this class. So but now this variable is a global, so we can access it in this instance method. Okay, let's see. If I make an object 1 of class 1.new, and if I call obj1.print, okay, let's run this code. Oh sorry, I made a file here. So you can see 100 is now printed. So we can access the global variables in the instance method. This is an instance method. If you don't know what are the instance methods, I have made another video. You can check the card. Okay, now let's see another example. Let's make this make another method. Now we can make this a method, a class method, self dot print global variable. So if I print the same variable here, and let's see how the global variables work in the instance in the class methods. You can also check my video in the above card, what are the class methods. So let's comment this out and see how we can access the global variables from the class methods. obj2 is equal to, now we can call the class method directly. So if I write this here and if I run the code again, now so 100 is now printed again. So now you can see that the global variables can be accessed both in the instance method and the class methods. Also, if I did not define this variable here, instead I define this global variable here, and when we run this code, this variable will become global again. Now we did not make a global variable outside the class. So first of all, I will call this method to declare this variable. So if I comment this out, obj1 is equal to class 1.new, obj1.print. Now when we call this method, it will make this global variable, and then we can call this method to print that variable. Class 1 dot print global variable. If I run this code again, now you can see 100 is now printed. So if I comment this out and directly, if I did not call this method, when this method is not called, then this variable will not be defined. So when if I directly call this method, it will print nil. So you can see a value is empty. Here by default the value of global variable is nil. So this is all about the global variables in the Ruby. If you read about this global variable in detail, I have added the link in the description. You can check that out, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.